So I thought I'd just stop at Mount Buninyong. This is a big fire tower on top of the mount. Now, as the plaque says, Mount Buninyong is an extinct volcanic mountain, 719 metres tall. It lies in the territory of the Cullen tribe of Aborigines, so we give respect to the Cullen tribe. And the first European explorers reached the summit in 1837. The first settlers in the district were the Learmonth brothers in 1838. The tower is also called the Alexander Bell Memorial Tower. This whole area, as you can see, is littered in native gums. Been here many times before, and you may have seen a couple of videos from up here, or a couple of photos. Just over in this direction, you can see where the sun's hitting the ground. That is the city of Ballarat. It's usually very windy up here, but today it's pretty good. Wind's starting to kick up a little bit, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So over in this direction we've got Ballarat. As we pan around, head over those hills over there, and you're heading towards Daylesford. As we pan around here, there's a few wind farms and all that, but in this direction, roughly, is Melbourne. Another 90 k's away. And right over this direction here, if I can just blow this up a little bit, probably won't see it on the camera. There's a couple of very tiny peaks. They're the Yuyangs out towards Geelong. And as you go out that way, you go out towards the Bellarine Peninsula. And if you kept going through those trees in that direction, you'd hit Torquay. There you go. So just doing an S-box up here. Just watch it is. First off, I'd like to pay respect to the Cullen Aboriginal tribe. If there's Aboriginal people that are in this area, you're quite welcome to come and say hi. Or even some of the old settlers. It's a beautiful little place, this one. It's a great view. Did anybody try to settle up here? Or was it just native people that hung around this area? They say it was a volcano at one time. here too. I'm hearing a couple of voices on these spots. If there's anyone here that would like to call out their name and just let me know who you are, it'd be muchly appreciated. What was that? Can you repeat that for me? It's a bit hard to hear with the wind. It's always pretty cold up here. Can you tell me if you lived in the area? Were you farming up here? Did you try to do some mining? Beautiful place to settle. Okay, thank you for talking to me. There's certainly no shortage of views from up here. About halfway down Mount Buninyong now. There's a couple of little viewing spots. Such a great land. Beautiful. Cheers for watching.